0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Real good.
Why they stopping me?
Good afternoon, welcome to another Saturdays in the Shed. It's afternoon because I've been running around all morning and I had a 25-year anniversary last night due at my company. So it's quite good to go to that, but we kind of got delayed getting back. We've got quite a few updates. We have, I'll just flip this around. We now have front struts, exactly the same as mine. Obviously there's a difference. These are scorched earth and these are the new ones. So I'm just taking the arms off the old ones at the moment, cleaning them up, licking a bit of paint over them, get them back assembled onto the new ones, and then this along with the wheels, which we now have some Goodyears on there. And again, these have been all polished up. Rob took these away. We've managed to recover the center caps as well to get those back to as shiny as we can. There's a little video on that my nephew and Rachel have done. So yeah, we're making progress. It's slow, but in some cases it's not slow, considering what we've achieved in the time that's gone by. The polishing wheels going at it like crazy because I'm working on so many different pieces of trim. And in the States, Tom Wilhelm has managed to find a place that's basically got a shopping list of ours. Yeah, there'll be more to come on that as well later. But the shifter, as I say, I did have to restrip that. There was a slight problem with it. Fixed that, got it all back together. It's perfect. And now we're just looking at the rest of this stuff. So at the moment, Rachel and my nephew are outside and they're cleaning up the seats. We've got covers that we're getting for those. Bless them. So yeah, it's all hands on today. Give us a wave.
Oh, really well. Yeah.
So a bit of scrubbing going on out here.
Yeah.
Sam and Rachel getting the seats ready, or cleaned up at least. They're pretty badly scorched.
I do need to point out that no children were harmed. No. Bit of child labour going on.
They're coming up all right, actually, aren't they?
Yeah.
They were black. This one's worse than that one. Oh no, is that the bad one there?
This is the bad one. This is the driver's seat.
Right, yeah.
This is yours. So where the plastic melted onto the seat, it left a horrible black residue. But as you can see, look,
Yeah.
that's all coming off.
Well done.
With a bit of grit, eh, boy?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You're killing it. Yeah, it does make you wonder. That suit bloody didn't half do its job.
We haven't touched that one yet.
Yeah, I can see that.
So the other job me and Sam have been on is cleaning up the Kirky seats. We've given them a good scrub. They've more or less come up looking like brand new. So really, really pleased with them. Turn it over, Sam. So that's one good job. All we've got to do now is just get some covers for them, and that'll be the seats. So very, very happy. That was the worst one Sam's holding because that was Graham's seat. But apart from that, they're all good. Might be dinted. Right.
What have you done to my seats?
Just prop it back up, Sam. Oh dear. So yeah, okay, all good. We have.
So, I'm down in Walton on the Naze, and I'm here with Lee. And we are, well, Lee has very kindly sold me these beauties, which are the front struts, come with discs and calipers. These are exactly what I have. So these will literally go straight on. Mine are in a sorry state. As soon as I saw these for sale, I rang Lee and we got a deal, and I thought I'd come and get them. But as soon as he opened the garage door, this was staring back at me. He never mentioned this, but look at this, look at the quality of this build. So you've had the car for...
Since 2019.
And you've built it basically from scratch?
It's been built from scratch, yeah.
I mean, so tell us about the car.
1941 wheels, obviously. Came over from the States. And we decided, it's always been a bucket list car for me to build something like this with a blown motor. I've been fortunate enough to work hard enough and build my bucket list car.
Brilliant. And it's only done 200 miles?
260 odd miles.
So it's just it's been shows at the moment, has it?
It's running 750 horsepower.
Wow.
Everything's been built to suit the car. It's a complete bespoke car.
It's a trophy winner, isn't it? Look at the quality of this.
The headline's a piece on its own.
Yeah, wow. So you built all this in the UK?
Yes, this was built. Dale Reardon took the build on down in Cornwall. And then I got it back once, got it rolling, got everything done what needed to be done. And I got all the bodywork where it needed to be before it went into be painted. Jet Guard built the exhaust system for me, wired it for me, and done numerous amounts of other little bits and bobs of the car for me, baselined it. The car drives like, well, just like Cadillac would drive.
Yeah.
You just let go of the wheel 50 miles an hour, boot it, and it just stays perfectly straight.
Don't let go of the wheel though.
It's definitely definitely a car that
means business, doesn't it? That's for sure. What's the carbs on there? What size are they?
They're 600 CFM each carbs.
Yep.
671 stage 4 BDS blower. It's a dark block. Howard's crank. Oliver billet con rods. JE pistons.
Wow. So it's built to do the job as well, then.
Definitely built to do the job. Running 32 degrees of timing.
So what's your plans with the car? I mean, I was just saying earlier as we were talking that this is a magazine car. This needs to go. This is a feature car. Definitely. Are you any plans for shows or any events?
Do some shows with it.
What about Santa Pod? Any ideas? Any?
I would like to take down Santa Pod, but then
There's
again,
Willie's Wars, isn't there?
I'm not quite sure because there's more money in this than what I owe my mortgage on my house.
That's generally always the case. Yeah. Well, I'm just dumbfounded when you showed me this. I mean, when I first saw it, I thought, has Mark Puddick sold his Willys? Because it just reminded me of that straight away. But Yeah, stunning, absolutely stunning. But and thank you, because you know, if I hadn't come to get the struts, I'd have never seen it. So
Yeah.
fantastic. Right, on with the next job. In terms of the front end, we have a guy, Aaron, at 4Mex Composites. He's now going to be putting together a full front clip and doors, although the molds will come separately. But we've got to get all that assembled and framed, and then we can get that put together. I'm still working through a lot of this trim. So I'm on the way to 4Mex Composites down in Weymouth. Satnav's bought me a weird way, but this is, I mean, it's in the middle of nowhere, but the views in the countryside's absolutely stunning. And yeah, I missed a beautiful sunset earlier. I wish I could have shown you that, but it's definitely Lord of the Rings. There's a few deer running across the road up here. Trying to get your car back together. This seems like a bonus. Here you go, Aaron. With the doors, both the hoods, and the front corner pieces. Grill bar, hood bar, shoulders that go with the hood bar, centre section for the front bumper, and I believe these are the moulds for those pieces down there, which are the rear corners of each bumper.
I'd just like to say a huge thank you to Code Red Racing for the loan of the doors.
More beautiful countryside on the way to Boost Monkey Racing. Let's get this car on the ground and get these tests fit on all these panels. More progress. Making a bit of progress. Get the panels in. A little bit of finessing, but they're getting there. Pete over there is just working on one of the aluminium panels, goes behind the seat. But the 2 floor pans are in. The other one over there, just got to make a slight change to that. But all the pieces laid out. Got all the other bits. So yeah, so much going on. Good progress. Look at Pete. Yeah, he's been on camera. You winning?
Love it.
That's the flooring on this side. Just got to do that side. It's got a panelling over there. It's just working on this one now, trimming it. It sits there. Free. Oh, I got a fiver on the mouse.
I'm going to put it on the cap.
Pussy always wins. Do you think I'll be able to put that on YouTube? So that was a long afternoon, and we've got not most of the panelling in, but a good portion of the panelling in. But look at this sunset. Is that beautiful or what? Vicky on the trailer. Pete's looking up prices of parts. And let me just switch this round. So this is the progress we've made. We've got a light out above us, so we've got mock-up seats in there, carbon fibre. Floors in, and we've got some of the panelling in behind. I'll just show you. I mean, it's starting to really look like a car again. We're just doing some positionings, possibilities on the charge cooler. But yeah, floors all in, hats off to the guys that served. We've got another panel in the back. And we're just trying to figure the rest out. So that'll be another day later this week. But couldn't be happier. I mean, that's some of this needed a little bit of adjusting and filing, but it's all gone in great, and looks so much better than I thought. So yeah, it's all coming together slowly but surely. We're getting there, and we've just got to keep going now and get the rest of this done, and then get all the panels off for powder coating, and then obviously there'll be hopefully some updates on the engine. These seats are so good. And then we've got all the suspension, front struts, we've got the axle, which is over there, and then we've got the wheels and tyres and rear shocks. So then get everything else on, and then get the rest of the panels done. But yeah, really good progress. It's not going to be long before we've got all this together, and then we're talking about wiring. So it's that's how close and far we've come to getting this further down the line, but yeah, absolutely made up. Great stuff. Right, see you on the next one.